Hi guys, good morning! Good morning from the Philippines. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much everyone. Second day today guys in Tagaytay. Dito in Tagaytay. Today is Wednesday guys. Wednesday, November 12 na. 8 a.m. The weather here is 77. Very nice weather. See you later guys. I don't know where to go today. Maybe the city market. Going to guys? Going to Olivares Plaza. Mag-walk lang may from the condo. Condo guys. I don't know. Siren S? I don't know. Because over there the Siren S. I think Siren S because over there is Siren S. Walking, going to 8 minutes walk ra to guys. Going to from Siren S. Going to Plaza. 8 minutes walk. And that is the Ayala Mall Siren Walk. Walter Mart over there, lot of restaurants. And right there, still more. Siren West, Siren S. Ayala Mall Siren din. Gandang flower. Ito West Hotel Tagaytay. Ito pala yan. West Hotel pala. Ibiyaan ako sa akong asawa. Kaya nag-GPS siya. Ito yung West Hotel guys. And then across that is Ayala Mall and then condo. Siren condo. West Hotel. Dikit-dikit lang siya. This is mall. Enter the mall. Mall na po dito. And then over there is hotel. Close pa ang mall ngayon kasi mag-open man yan 10 o'clock. Oh, over there. That highway na over there. Over there, highway na guys. Highway. Wait, because highway na dito guys. Burger King, Jollibee. That's highway. Highway. We down the bus right here guys. In the mall. Yan video. Tapat sa video dyan. In front of video we down that in the bus there. This is the tingin ako doon ng mga rotas. To buy before ba? Yeah. To the condo. Mang inasal. Pura pala, pura store. Oh, lot of flower. tricycle na po. We use this spot guys. Kasi in the front is stairway man. Glad have like this. Not bad. Over there, oh. City Market. Olivares Plaza right there. The mall right there. Going to the mall. Over here, mahal. That is a hub step. Over here, oh. I think it's open now. Mang Inasal right there. Caltex. BDO Chemo. If you from PTX guy, you need to down over here in BDO Chemo. First over here. Super Metro. Supermarket. Dito. Resort. Yan, resort. Toothpaste. Ay, Sensodyne. I'm looking Rapid Sensodyne, but out of stock. Deep, only deep. Protect. No more Rapid. Hmm? Where's the spirit over there? Mang Inasal. Drop po point guys. Olivares. That's Olivares Plaza. If you from PTX, the bus drop off you over there. In front of Metro. Super Metro. People waiting over there to open the mall. The mall open is still open. Mang Inasal guys, we book this guy.
Government shutdown to an end. And if you don't believe
Taal volcano interruption mild lang guys. Today 6:51 AM to 6:54 AM. 3 minutes interruption. And now is Wednesday, November 12. Look like the sunset right here, guys. The house right there, oh, very nice. Look like sunset. Why you have lot? 1, 2, 3. Look like you have lot over there. Why no more car over here? Oh? No more car. Sumpa doon kayo. Zumba.
Federal employees and civil servants, but we have a responsibility to make sure that we
The
extend
flavor avocado. Avocado.
That's what Chuck Schumer wanted, of course, on a plan that Jeffries opposed just last
Okay,
month, a
masarap.
one-year extension of the subsidies. But many Democrats are now calling for Schumer to step aside. Here's Rose Connell with Laura Ingraham last night.
Congressman, who should replace Schumer as leader, or a couple of options?
as leader. Look, I think there's Chris Workley, there's Van Allen, there's
Record review helps you. Record review helps you slay daily. Celium fiber. Go on today and slay.
But my view is that it should be someone new. Schumer's been there for so many years, and he was effective in the Biden administration. I just don't think that that's the look for the future of the party.
One of the many reasons to reopen the government to fully fund SNAP benefits, which have been delayed in more than a quarter of
I think I get na lang the
this map. The Supreme Court yesterday extended.
Hi guys, good evening. And we are in Tagaytay. We stay here few days. And we bought rep magnet. This one Tagaytay. The other one is Philippines and have jeepney. The other one is Manila. And the other one Tagaytay also. And that's it. And my husband first time buying this coffee. Hopefully they like it. We try later. And thank you so much guys. We need to close na guys our video today because now is 6:20 evening na. So thank you everyone, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like. Bye guys, and see you to our next video. God bless you and bye bye.